Let's double check the updates for Chainlink, Link USDT trading pair with my customer set. Some rumors now, some maybe will be the facts. So this week, the Grayscale will run the Chainlink ETF spot. So maybe it's a good one, but I don't think so. The fundamental news and fundamental at all affect the prices, because guys, you remember a lot of extremely bullish partnership updates, mass adoption, some I don't know, use case for hundreds of tokens, and it won't help altcoins. That's why it's just a fact. So if they run the ETF is good. So recently, just a few weeks ago, I guess, the Sol, HBAR, and LTC ETF launched. You can open the date when it happened, you know, and what's happening next few weeks after that launch. All this news is just a news. We can't trade or build a plan, buy, sell, or do something with the tokens just because of news or some tweets. So plan for Chainlink, for me personally, absolutely still the same. Yes, it's boring, but it's still the same. I believe that Chainlink will hit the new all-time high. It will be only $76.48. So it's my humble opinion of the new all-time high for this token. Is this too much? I can't say. It's just only 500% from this current prices. So it's not like, wow, crazy deal. It's 5x and end of cycle maybe for this token. We accumulate a long-term period in accumulation zone. So let's focus now on the local targets. So here's a point of control. I don't think so. We're going to drop once again to point of control at this current moment on the weekly time frame on the Binance. It's $7.25. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. I think we can retest. Maximum pain is going to be the $10.82. It's a test of the buy line. So let's add alert on a buy line. I would be not surprised if we were going to test this week or the next one. It's not so much, right? But it's 10%. I don't understand why all the time the point of control changes. So when you zoom in, the point of control change, even if you not change the time frame. Point of control on the daily is showing us, just showing it here. Now it's here. All right. So it's $13.26. We now sit around the buy line on the daily. If we not hold the line here, the next step is going to be 50% of this range between the buy line and fundamental value. So it's around $11. Sorry, guys. If we not hold the line here, the next step is going to be the test of fundamental value on the daily time frame. And again, boring 27 block. It's $8.16, $4.74. For me personally, it's not make sense to drop that low because we leave the liquidity pool here August 24, and on a Donald Trump dump, we sweep that liquidity pool. For me, it's not make sense to drop the price that low again, just because a lot of people now sit and wait to just lower price. You know, so for what? To give a chance the people buying back at $8 or $5 to put the price higher with the ETF with 2026 potential season. So I don't think so. It makes sense. 12 time frame, guys. Buy line now it's $10.31. So this is around the same line like on a weekly time frame buy line. Unfortunately, yes, guys, it's possible to see these levels, and it's horrible. I totally agree, guys. It's so horrible because, and not because of price action or so, because of time. We waste a lot of time. We waste a lot of nerves, a lot of hours when we analyze the charts, when we analyze maybe somebody still analyze the fundamental of the tokens. I'm not gamble with this stuff and play with this stuff because fundamental absolutely doesn't matter for the price, but we waste a lot of time. So now here, 1149 is 61 level by FIP of this week. So this is the first zone of interest. Second one is going to be the drop to the buy line on the weekly and on the 12 time frame, if we not hold the line here now. So it's kind of horrible, guys. So that's why for now, if you're not ready, just better skip. Because, for example, if you want to buy now, drop only to 1080, it's 11% stop loss. So if you trade with 10x, it's your liquidation. No, makes sense. If you trade with 5x leverage, it's going to be minus 55% drop. I don't think so. We feel good. If you trade with second leverage, also, I recommend better skip. If you're not sure or if you're not ready to see the 22%, just better skip. Maybe makes sense to try open position when we're going to touch the buy line. After that, you can use the stop loss, for example, like 8%. So with the second leverage, it's going to be the 16% of stop loss with the target here, 160. So 16% against 160 to 1994 and way higher. So if I not see the setup or if when I see not enough reason to open position now, I skip the token. So it's pretty simple. It's not a shame, not a mistake, just to skip the token, not trade every single candle. Daily, guys, here's accumulation. Now we're just out of neutral zone, close to the accumulation. No accumulation on direction. Kind of weird. We almost at the same level like it was in April 25 when we saw some accumulation on the direction indicator. Now nothing. It's set. Yes, I agree. Weekly time frame, we're in accumulation. It's good. So now we're in the same level like it was here. It's good. So June 23, now we're in the same level of accumulation. It's good. It's bullish. No signal for accumulation on direction indicator. All right, not yet on the weekly. Let's double check the market mood. Sentiment is totally horrible. We are in capitulation zone. Last time we saw the capitulation zone, it was here in June 23. Bullish. Daily. Total depression, total capitulation. Bullish. Let's double check the trade on. What I don't like on the link, on many tokens on that dump, we saw the take profit signal. Here is a sell. That's why this news on the Grayscale ETF, it can be the like buy the rumor, sell the fact, or sell the rumor or sell the fact, something like this one, right? Because the people now will open long position because, oh yes, it's ETF, it's something special. It's not something special. It's just ETF. So 12 time frame also. Oh, here on 12 time frame was here the signal take profit and the buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, crash, recommendation, close position, buy, and now nothing. So it's kind of weird, guys, but no signal to take profit yet. So the main signal to take profit, a sell was in December 24. Now nothing. That's why be ready to see a little bit drop down. If not, I will be more than happy, guys. I will be more than happy. But for long run, yes, I believe the Chainlink will be one of not so many tokens which will hit the new all-time high. The last indicator, guys, money power. 12 time frame, no accumulation, no money inflow yet today. Daily time frame, nothing. Weekly time frame, money in was here 2 weeks before. 2 weeks ago, we saw the money inflow. Now nothing. And the monthly, I can say something extra bullish because we trade on the middle line, but without any money inflow like it was here in June 22. That's why, guys, be careful. At least I'm wait around the buy line test. If we'll see the test, I will get a notification here, and maybe I will share on Twitter. So, guys, write please and comment what you think about a link. If you'd like to trade with my customer, Chris, I will show it on this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, you're my channel. See you next time, guys.